In-house fabrication, a hallmark of VIVA's excellence. The most modern and efficient fabrication processes facilitate faster lead times for your projects. To fabricate our struck and fold panel railing systems and our extended line of architectural metal panel systems, we use our state-of-the-art fiber laser cutting machine. Let's see how it's done at our in-house workshop in Lewisville, Texas. Our powerful and compact robot picks up panels with ease and lays them on the laser bed with precision. Our laser machine operator completes review of the job, and when all parameters are in place, the cutting sequence is initiated. The stainless steel or aluminum panel then travels to the cutting area. The laser head checks the material and pattern and picks out the most suitable cutting tool for the job. The laser begins to cut. What you are watching is a real-time video of the cutting speed. When the cutting sequence is complete, the panels are sent to our high-capacity bending machines. The next step is jitterbug finishing. This removes burr and bed marks. These panels are now ready to be sent over for powder coating. We look forward to having architects, contractors, and owners over to our office and workshop. We would love to collaborate on your next project.